Imagine you can get $126 just for being a blogger. Meet Paul. He loves to blog. He wants to fulfill a fantasy and aspires to make money from blogging. As of yet, he hasn't made a cent from it. Despite this, Paul is a passionate YouTube blogger who loves to connect with his audience. Blogging helps him to express himself, and he feels terrific when his subscribers comment on his videos. This excites Paul and inspires him to continue blogging. As a good blogger, he has a great personality and engages well with his subscribers. This allows him to express his creativity in his videos and have fun doing it. He's gained social acceptance from his subscribers and enjoys sharing his knowledge from personal experience. Paul's expertise in his field makes him an authority figure his audience trusts and respects. He prides himself on providing valuable information and tips in his videos. Introducing www.blogging-project.com, a website actively looking for an outstanding blogger like Paul, who's unique, interesting, with lots of incredible potential, to take part in our blogging project. We recognize the valuable qualities Paul has and are willing to pay him $126 for his time on the project. He gets to gain pleasure, be praised, and admired for doing what he enjoys. Paul now has an excellent opportunity to make an impact on what he does best. This allows him to build an emotional connection with his audience and be loved by them. If you're amazing at blogging from the US and have a loyal following of 500 to 5,000 subscribers, we want to hear from you. Your job would be to evaluate products and services which cater to new and experienced bloggers. Your influence, experience, and knowledge of your industry makes you the perfect candidate for this assignment. The feedback you and your audience provide is important to this project. It would be used to improve the needs and wants of bloggers as a whole. You have a powerful voice that has a tremendous ability to make a difference. Unleash the wonderful potential and skill you have to be the best blogger you can be. Here's your chance to get paid for what you're currently doing for free. Take advantage of this opportunity and relieve boredom. Get the feeling of satisfaction, liberation, and excitement from blogging on your YouTube channel. Satisfy your curiosity by taking this bold step. For a limited time only, visit www.blogging-project.com to sign up and start enjoying the benefits today.